Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to upload your resume to your Google Drive account. So whether you want the ability to edit it down or perhaps you want to share with the prospective employer directly through the Google Drive, then I show you the easy method. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. And then dito lang sa ating Chrome web browser at dito sa ating Google account, dito lang sa upper right side, ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong Google Apps. So, click mo lang yan. And then, select mo lang tong Drive. And then, dito sa ating Drive account, dito lang sa left side, ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong plus sign. So, click mo lang yan. And then, select mo lang tong File Upload. And then, next step, ay kailangan mo lang i-locate kung saan nakasave yung resume, either desktop, downloads, and documents. Okay? And then, click lang natin ito. And then, select. Then wait natin ito ma-upload. Right, so upload complete and then right click lang tayo dito and then click mo lang tong open with and preview. And then kung paano ba natin ito i-share, so dito lang sa upper right side, ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong tatlong dot and then click mo tong share. Then next step ay kailangan mo lang maglagay dito kung saan email mo siya isi-send. Okay, so maglagay tayo. Then next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select tong kanyang permissions. Alright, so click mo lang tong arrow na to. Alright. Kung gusto mong isend ito sa employer, so dapat ay kailangan lang nakaselect tong viewer. Okay, so kung gusto mo naman somebody edited or peer review, kailangan lang select tong editor. Okay, so click mo lang tong viewer. And then, pwede ka naman dito maglagay ng message dito. Alright. The next ay kailangan lang tong i-click tong send. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-upload ng resume sa ating Google Drive account. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.